In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to build an WhatsApp AI chatbot using N8N. In other words, how to connect N8N with WhatsApp to build an AI agent. Imagine automating customer support, booking reservations, or even driving sales automatically all through WhatsApp. And you don't even need to know how to code. And the best part, this AI agent is completely customizable to fit into your specific needs. So at the end of this tutorial, you will be equipped with the knowledge of WhatsApp AI chatbot that not only saves your time and money, but also impresses your customers. So if you're ready to bring your WhatsApp conversation to life with AI, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's dive into it. So before I start, if you don't know me, I'm Sudeshna. I live in Denmark. I'm an engineer and I run an AI automation agency where we help businesses to use AI into their processes. We also provide consultation to businesses who kind of starting with AI to understand what AI agent is and how and exactly identify the area where AI can help them to skyrocket their revenue. So grab a coffee, hit that like button, and let's get started. Okay, so we will be using N8N to connect WhatsApp. When you log in, you will come to this page, which is overview. Click on create workflow. We have to start with a trigger. Now, what is trigger? Trigger is which starts the workflow. We will click on this plus. What triggers this workflow? Search for WhatsApp. Okay, choose WhatsApp Business Cloud and then on message. What is happening? Why on message? This means we are choosing on message as our trigger. And what does it mean? It means when a customer sends a message in WhatsApp, this workflow or this system will be triggered or start. So now we need to connect N8N with Meta platform, which is the owner of WhatsApp. Because here it is saying that credential to connect with. So we need to provide some credential, and if you see that I have already connected the WhatsApp because I was working with it, but for you I will show you how to connect it. Click on create new credential. You can see that we need client ID and then client secret. How will we get that? So we will go to Meta for developers. I will leave a link in the description below. Then click my apps. I have already built an app. I'll show you step by step how to build it. Create app. Provide a name. And don't start with WhatsApp like WhatsApp and then it will give you error. Just go for say WhatsApp WA testing. Okay. Then you have to provide your Facebook email. Next. Add use cases. What is the use case for us? We want to connect WhatsApp, right? So here it is saying that run ads to promote your app, access the trades. Okay. It's not there, so we will choose other. Next. Select an app type. Business and consumer. It is saying that connect customer products and permissions like Facebook login to your app. But we are doing it for business. It is not personal, so we will go for business. Next. Take whatever information you have provided like app name, your contact email and business portfolio, which is optional. So we will not provide any information here about our business. So we will just create app. Then you have to provide your Facebook password. And submit. And voila. Now you have an app on Meta platform. But it doesn't have any functionality yet. You have to provide this app some functionality. Like you have to choose products from Meta. Like you can add Messenger, you can add Instagram, you can do many other things with this. There are so many options, but for us, we want to connect WhatsApp. So we will go for WhatsApp and click on setup. All right. So here you have to provide some information about your business, like WhatsApp Business Platform API. Now you are connecting your business to Meta platform. And what is API actually? You can think API is kind of a door. You want to access WhatsApp business platform or Meta's business platform. So you have to use their API or go through their API. And to do that, you have to provide some information about your business. Whenever you want to access some API, you have to provide some credential. For example, when somebody comes to our home and they knock the door and we ask, who is this? So that's kind of some credential, that name and then password or maybe client ID, client secret, to all those things to get access through that API. So that's kind of API thing. Okay. So you will select your business and then continue. All right, so here it is saying that two-factor authentication required. So I have to provide some code from my authentication app, because I already have created this app and I enabled two-factor authentication for my Facebook, and that's why it's wanting that code. So I will provide that code. That is 993789. Confirm. And here you go. Welcome to WhatsApp Business Platform. Now we are on WhatsApp's business platform. All right. But let's go back to N8N where we left. Okay. So we were here actually. What we need client ID and client secret. We will go back to Meta, and in the left hand side, click on app setting and then basic. It will always take some time. This is the app ID. Client ID is basically the app IDs. Copy this, come back and paste it here, and then we will go back again, and then the app secret. Show, and I will copy this, go back and paste it here. Save. Connection tested successfully. So we are now connected, we are connected our N8N to WhatsApp on Meta platform, Meta business platform. Close it. Now you have to choose the connection. I think this is the connection we have just created. And back to the canvas. Okay, so this is for incoming WhatsApp message. Imagine you have a WhatsApp bubble on your website. A client or customer comes and sends you a message. Then that message will be captured by this WhatsApp trigger. But we cannot only get the message, but we have to reply. For that, we have to get another note, another WhatsApp note. So we will go to search. We will click on this plus button and then search for WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business Cloud. And this time send message, because we need to send message, right? Right. So again, we have to provide our credential to connect with. And this will not work with the old credential which we have already created. We have to create new credential. Okay, so you can see we need access token and business account ID. We will go back to Meta here, and in the left hand side you can see there is WhatsApp. We will click on that and we will click on Quick Start. So again, we are in WhatsApp business platform. Just you can see what it is going on here, and we will actually go for API setup. Start using the API. All right. So here is the access token thing. But we don't have the access token, we have to create it. But let us see what other things are here. Send and receive messages. Select phone numbers. So Meta will provide you a test phone number. Here it is saying that test phone numbers allow you to send free messages for 90 days, which is a long time actually. Okay, so you can use this test phone number. You can use this test phone number for testing, but if you want real-time phone number or your actual business phone number to use, then you have to use this one, add phone number, and then add your phone number. Okay, but for this tutorial I will just go with this test number. We will use this as our business phone number. Okay, so 2, I will use my phone number, and actually I will use my phone number as a customer number. Say I am the customer and I will send message to that business number, that is this test number. Okay, so let me show you my WhatsApp. I have added this phone number in my phone so that I get it in my WhatsApp. So first we will test it. We will send a message to that number. So we will click on send message and it should come to my WhatsApp. But before that we need to generate the access token. So click on generate access token. Continue as Sudeshna. Yes, continue as Sudeshna. And then you have to choose one account. So I will choose this account, test WhatsApp business account, and continue. And then save. Got it? And here we have our access token. I will copy this one. I will go back to N8N. Click on it, update credential, and I will paste it here in the access token. And then we need business account ID and business account, WhatsApp business account ID. This is the one. I will click on it, copy it, go back to N8N and paste it here, then save. So connection tested successfully. All right, we will close it and back to Canvas. Now I will go back to Meta and test it. So I will send the message, send message. So voila, you can see that I got a message from Meta and it's saying that welcome and congratulations. This message demonstrates your ability to send a WhatsApp message notification from the cloud API hosted by Meta. Thank you for taking time to test with us. I mean, awesome. Okay, so we are back here and you can see there is an error. Let us see what it is about. And you can see it is using WhatsApp account too, because I have already made another app. That's why another connection to WhatsApp. That's why it is saying WhatsApp account too. Okay. Resource. So the resource is of course message. I mean, when a message will come, then it will send the reply. So the resource is message. Operation is send because it will send the message. Sender phone number or ID. Sender phone number, who will send the message? I mean, the business will send the reply, right? So that is business's phone number. So if I click on this, you can see our test number is here. So as it is already connected, it is showing the number. Okay, so recipient phone number, recipient is customer phone number. And for that, I will use my phone number here. So I will just write it down. Okay, message type, of course, text message will be sent to the customer, and text body for testing, I will just say here, how can I help you? Okay, how can I help you? Right, so back to Canvas and save. Now I will test it, this first one. I will click on this, taste step and I will send the message in my WhatsApp. I will say hi. Okay. As soon as I send hi, you can see we got some output here. And this is the JSON output, and we can see the table as well. I mean, messaging product is WhatsApp, of course, and metadata, whatever, and the message, and message body is text and body is hi because I have sent it hi. I have written hi. Okay. You can also see it in the schema. Like this is so much organized. You can see the text body is hi. All right. So back to canvas, and now you can see there is a tick which is saying that this test is successful. So now we will test this one. So click on this, and now as we have all data here, we will not use this one, but we will use this one. This is saying that sender phone number or ID. So we will use, this is the display phone number, that is this is the test phone number, and we will use the ID. So I will grab it and put it here. Okay. Next, for my number, message, and contacts, and this is what's WAID, that is WhatsApp ID. I will grab that and put it back here. Okay. Then for the text body, I will, for now, I will use this text body. How can I help you today? Okay. So now let us test this step. So test step. And you can see that I have already sent the message hi. So now I got the reply, how can I help you today? All right, we will go back to canvas, and now you can see the tick. That means the test is successful. We have successfully connected WhatsApp and N8N. But now what we will do, we will add our AI agent into this so that this can run automatically. All right, so for that, first I will disconnect it. Now thing is that WhatsApp message can be anything or many things. Like in WhatsApp, we can send text message or images, or we also send audio and videos. So when a customer sends a message, we need to verify whether it is a text message. For this video, we will only work with text messages because probably your customer will not send you a video, or maybe they will. But for this video, we will focus on text messages. Therefore, after we get the message or this trigger captured the message, we need to approve whether it is a text message or not. If it is a text message, then we will reply to that message. Okay. So for that, I have to add another node, which is if node. So I will search for if. Here it is. We will go to JSON, and you can see the WhatsApp message, the JSON of the WhatsApp message. Okay, there are so many things, but we don't need all this. We only need this thing, this messages, this array, because it includes text, body, and hi. That means that it holds that text message part. Okay, so we need this array. So we will go back to again schema, and we will grab this message and put it back here. All right. And we will go for array. We will go for array and then exist. That means this if node will test whether this message have a text message or not. Okay. So we will test the step, and you can see that node executed successfully. That means there is a text message. So back to canvas, and you can see that there is a tick. That means the test is successful. All right. So next step, if it is true, if it is a text message, then we will now add advanced AI, and we will add an AI agent. Go back to canvas. But this AI agent will only work if it has a brain. That means you need to provide some chat model to it. So we will add a chat model. And there are so many chat models, you can choose any of them. But I will go for OpenAI chat model because I have already connected it to N8N. So again, we need to provide some credential to connect with OpenAI account. And I will just show you what we need. We need the API key, and that's it. We need the API key. So we will go to OpenAI settings, and then API keys. And here you get your API key, like create new secret key, and then you will get your API key. And copy that. We will come back here and paste our API key here and then save. I'm closing it, and you will choose the model from the list. I have used GPT-4o mini, and that is working actually best. I was trying to use GPT-4o, but it was not working that good, so I came back to GPT-4o mini. All right, back to canvas. Okay. All right, so next thing, I need to add some memory. If you don't use a memory, then AI agent will forget what your client said in the previous message. Like, it has no memory. Whatever it wants to say, it will say. So in that case, we will use a memory, and we will use window buffer memory, which is the easiest one. And for this tutorial, I will use that one. Session ID, I will go with define below, and the key, this is the WhatsApp trigger, and the key will be contact, this WhatsApp ID. So I will grab it and place it here, right? Okay, back to canvas. So now we are seeing that there is an error. I will open it, and let's see what it is saying. Okay, so here is I have said that source will be defined below, but I haven't added anything. So I will add this message and then this body, right? Yeah. Here it is saying that agent and source for prompt or user message. That means what the message which user has sent. So that is this message, hi. So this is text body under the text and hi. All right, so we will test this. And you can see the output is, hello, how can I assist you today? All right, this is not me, this is OpenAI. This is OpenAI who is replying actually. So back to canvas. You can see that we have now green tick here. That means that this test is successful. All right, so I will now connect it to the send message WhatsApp, save it. Oh, before that, I have to activate it, because otherwise I will not be able to access it from outside. All right, so now it is activated. I will just test it from the beginning. So I will say hi. All right. So the message is captured. You can see the right tick here. Then I will test this one. If it is getting if it is a text message, okay. So test the step, and the test is success. The node executed successfully. All right. We got that node here. We got the tick here. Then I will test this AI agent, and test step. We have said hi, and it is saying that hello. It seems like you are saying hi a lot. Oh my God. Is there something specific you'd like to talk about or ask? So it's working. And now I will test this, the last one, the last node, and test the step. But yeah, before that I have to do something here. Yeah, so now I got all the previous text and schema here, so I can just put it here, put it back here. So I will delete this one and select the phone number ID from here. So this is our phone number ID. I will grab it and put it back here, right? And the next one, the recipient phone number, which is this one, and I grab it and put it back here, right? Message type is text, and the text body, this is not the text body. we will go for, it will be this one, this output, because we got the output from the AI agent, right? So test the step, and it is successful. So now our workflow is ready, and we will test it on my WhatsApp. All right. It has given me a reply. It is saying that, hello, it seems like you are saying hi a lot. Is there something specific you would like to talk about or ask? So you can see that I have said hi thrice because we were testing. So that's why it is replying like that. So let me say hi again. Let me see what it is saying. All right. So save it. And I say hi. And it is again saying hi. It looks like we are in a loop here. Oh my God. If you have a question, a topic in mind, feel free to share. Okay. So it's kind of like human. So I will ask it. What is AI agent? And let me see what it says. Oh my God, now it has given a long reply. An AI agent is a software entity that uses artificial intelligence to perform tasks and make decisions based on input from its environment. These agents can operate autonomously or semi-autonomously to achieve specific goals. And it has given me kind of a long reply. Okay. But thing is that it is now really working. Okay, so I can stop it here. Okay, so there you have it. We have just built WhatsApp AI chatbot using N8N. Pretty awesome, right? So with this setup, there is so much possibilities you can explore. Like you can add whatever application you want, any database you want. You just have to search it here, and you can add it between these two nodes. Now you can automate conversations, provide instant customer support, or even take orders, book reservations, send emails, and the possibilities are endless. So I will make another videos on those advanced scenarios, but this is like the basic skeleton to use WhatsApp AI chatbot for your business. Okay, so that was it for this video, a tutorial on how to build a WhatsApp AI agent using N8N. I will make more N8N videos, just stay tuned. Also, in my agency, we help businesses to build this type of advanced scenarios and advanced AI agents. If you want to work with me, book a call with me. I will leave a link in the description section below. Also, if you like this video and got any value from it, please give it a thumbs up and consider to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. If you have any question or feedback, please feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.